Busa KS Inter-Row Cultivator with Camera. With the aid of our inter-row cultivators, you can work your root crops quickly and efficiently. From sprout till close to 1 meter height, developed by Claas, supported with the world leader row guide with a camera, the Busa Rotor is capable of working with exceptional accuracy, 4 to 4 centimeter clearance, in 3 shifts, for the whole season with minimal maintenance and supervision. The tempered forged blades must be replaced less frequently than ever before, after 1,500 to 2,000 hectares working in 6 rows. If required, the cultivator can be fitted with stainless steel spreader equipment, HEVA multi-seater, and the feed can be either with belt drive or electrical drive. Total weed clearing. The cut-down weeds are smashed up, chopped up, and pushed under the ground by the densely striking blades. The weeds pushed under the surface die for a lack of light. The freed-up roots of those above the ground are dried out by the sun. The chopped-up, smashed-up weeds with leaves under the ground die off. Protective disc. The cultivator may also be safely used for small plants on heterogeneous soil with efficient speed. In case of a rotor with filling settings, the amount of earth moved can be precisely adjusted with the discs. Thus, the weeds sprouting in the rows of weaker plants can also be choked. 4 to 7 centimeter clearance. Advantages. The rotary hoe inter-row cultivator provides efficiency incomparably greater than other inter-row cultivators. The machine works in perfect symbiosis with the camera-fitted row guide. The short machine length, the rigid cultivators, and the precise tools all increase the precision of the camera work. The Claas culticam guides the machine along the row quickly and accurately, with great safety. The rotary hoe is at the same time ruthless with the weeds and leftover stalks, which gets in the way, but suitable for working plants of small size. The system is a perfect tool for reducing or dispensing with the use of chemicals, obligatory for organic crop growing, just strongly recommended for other technologies. Folding. Can be requested in manual folding, simple frame, and hydraulically folding variants.